Yes, that great man about whom people are talking since centuries, he has finally come on this earth. He is that great person with whose energy the rise of humanity will take place on this earth. The whole world will be governed by India. World war will be averted. Golden age will begin and Ram Raj will come again. India will be known as the world leader again. Friends, I Rajesh Bhatnagar will take you all on an amazing journey. This journey is of prophecies of great foretellers. So let's solve the mystery of this great man. The great and famous foreteller of the 15th century, Michel de Nostradamus, have made various prophecies and several times people have made fun of him. But all of his prophecies have proved to be true. So let's see what does the great prophecy of Nostradamus has to say.
The world-famous foreteller Michel de Nostradamus, who is known for his exact predictions. In the year 1555, in the verse 96 of his book, he stated that the great man will take birth in that country which will be surrounded by water from 3 sides, and that country's name will be on the name of an ocean, that is India. Friends, in this whole world, only India is the country which is surrounded by sea from 3 sides. Also, India is that country whose name is on the name of an ocean, that is Indian Ocean. In chapter 20, verse 25, it is said that the great man will be born in India. He will take birth in that part of a country where 5 rivers would be flowing. He said all this in chapter 1, verse number 50. In India, only Punjab is the state where 5 rivers flow. That is why it is named as Panj and Aab, Punjab. Name of the rivers are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Jhelum and Chenab. Nostradamus has told in chapter 5 verse 41 that great man, that great Chiron, will have 4 children, in which 2 sons and 2 daughters. Unfolding another mystery about that great man, Nostradamus has told in chapter 5 verse 41 that his mother will be 3 sisters. In chapter 6 verse 70, Nostradamus has written that I am fully confident that great man will tell an extraordinary spiritual knowledge that no one would have heard about. After listening to his preaching, all other spiritual leaders will bow down to him. One more amazing prediction has been done by Nostradamus in chapter 1 verse number 50 that people will hate that great man by thinking of him as a treasoner. But later on, after knowing the truth, everyone will love him. The ideals and values established by him will be swayed everywhere. In chapter 20 verse number 25, Nostradamus has told he will neither be a Christian nor a Muslim, but he will be a Hindu. In chapter 60 verse number 70, Nostradamus has told that great man will govern the whole world. That great man will be champion of the world. In chapter 2 verse number 79, it is stated that great man will make the entire society do true worship. That great man will tell true way of worship, and also he will free the world from this Kal Lok. In chapter 1 verse number 50, that great person will make all the nations bow down to his spiritual knowledge. It would be impossible to stop his publicity. I, Nostradamus, clearly state that do not ignore that great saint. It would be very beneficial for you to worship him as a favored God, because he will be the savior of this world.
So you have heard that the world's great foreteller, Nostradamus, has stated that great man will definitely not be a Christian or a Muslim, but undoubtedly he will be a Hindu, and he will take birth in that state of India where 5 rivers would be flowing. That great man will govern the whole world with his spiritual knowledge, whose mothers will be 3 sisters and who will have 2 sons and 2 daughters. Negative powers will try to stop the teachings of that great saint. He will be accused with false cases of treason. With so many indicative predictions, a picture clearly appeared in front of us. When the mystery of prediction made from thousands of years ago unfolded, then the divine great man finally appeared. We molded many great people in our research, but either the geography was missed out or the family life. Then we did some more deep research, and then only one great man stood true on our test. And after knowing his name, you will be happy with devotion.
Jagadguru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the one and only man who is born in India to save this earth and humanity. Jagadguru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great man whom all the foretellers from around the world have predicted. Yes, Sant Rampal Ji is the man who has 2 sons and 2 daughters, and his mothers are 3 sisters. Sant Rampal Ji is the great man who was born on 8 September 1951 in the state of Punjab. In 1966, Haryana was separated from Punjab. Yes, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great saint who has defeated all saints in the world in spiritual debate. The whole world accepts his excellence of his spiritual knowledge. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj was born on 8 September 1951 in a small village Dhanana in Sonipat, Haryana, which was earlier in Punjab. He is the great man who has completed 20 years on 7 September 1971, is none other than great Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The great man who has amazed everyone with his spiritual knowledge is none other than Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The one who is accused in the false case of treason is only Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The one who has white hairs and doesn't have any beard or moustache is Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The one who has eradicated all the evils from the society is only Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Sant Rampal Ji has given knowledge about divine powers who had remained a mystery of the world. In Gita chapter 18 Shlok 62, to whom the speaker is suggesting to be the word down other than himself. Arjuna asked in chapter 18 Shlok 1 that who is the person in Gita chapter 7 Shlok 29, who exactly is the Param Akshar Brahm? Its answer is given in chapter 8 Shlok number 3. It is said that he is Param Akshar Brahm, about whom Saint Rampal Ji has given complete knowledge in his satsang. For more information, read book Gyan Ganga, Gita Tera Gyan Amrit, Jeene Ki Raah, Andhshraddha Bhakti Khatra-e Jaan, www.jagadgururampalji.org. Download free and clear all your doubts and also bless your life. And the supreme knowledge is given by his book.
All these signs have been told in the past by great astrologers, which undoubtedly signal towards Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Yes, that great man is only Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, about whom all the predictions have been made. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the great saint with whose positive energy golden age will come again on this entire earth. World war will be averted, human race will be liberated, and Ram Raj will be established. India will emerge and be famous as the new world leader. All these things have been predicted by great foretellers of the world in history that we have told to you. Say everyone, Jagadguru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj ki Jai.
उत्तर दक्षिण पूरब पश्चिम फिरता दानी दानी नु सर्व कला सदगुरु साहिब की हरि आए हरियाणे नु.
8th September 2022 is the 72nd incarnation day of Jagat Guru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj Ji. On this auspicious occasion, a massive free community meal, free initiation service, and a 3-day continuous recitation of Holy Book Sadh Granth Sahib are being organized from the 6th to 8th of September 2022, in which all of you are cordially invited with your family. On this special occasion, our program will be telecasted live on Sadhana TV and Popcorn Movies TV channel from 9:15 a.m. You can also watch it on Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj YouTube channel.